It's not working again.
What's wrong?
I don't know what's wrong. Hey, Mark. Are you ready to grab a cup of coffee?
Wait for a few seconds.
Would you just take a look at this article?
Oh my god.
I must finish it by the end of the night.
Isn't it impossible?
I don't know what to do. I should have done it yesterday.
Yesterday? So why didn't you?
I don't know what to do. I'm really stressed out right now.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
A good employee should always do his works right on time.
I know, and I give assent to that. But I was really busy yesterday.
I think you must have a schedule and stay focused on it.
Okay, I got what I must do.
But hey, if you don't have to finish it, come with me. Let's have fun. Come on.
Oh no. I'm not gonna risk it. I have to hand it in by tomorrow.
It's not working anyway. Okay, I have to go, okay? Do what you have to do.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye.
Have fun.
I'm serious? Wait. I remember something. I wanted to be